track is jam-packed, playing it back to back. Yes, yo, time to forget the stress. Just one life, baby, we beyond blessed. Sunlight in my pocket, stardust in my cup. All your friends invited, cause we gon' light it up. Hula, hula, hoo, hula, hula, hoo. You know exactly what to do, yes you do. Hula, hula, hoo, hula, hula, hoo. Nobody moves like we do, yeah we do. Top down, spirits up, good luck always be chasing us. We uncaged, time to rage, gon' ride this way to outer space. Sunlight in my pocket, stardust in my cup. All your friends invited, cause we gon' light it up. Hula, hula, hoo, hula, hula, hoo. You know exactly what to do, yes you do. Hula, hula, hoo, hula, hula, hoo. Nobody moves like we do, yeah we do. We are the party, party, gather everybody, body. Yeah, this that feeling, feeling good, feeling. We are the party, party, gather everybody, body. Yeah, this that feeling, feeling good, feeling. Hula, hula, hoo, hula, hula, hoo. Hula, hula, hoo, hula, hula, hoo.
Oh, you could be my little princess Peach, and I could be your Super Mario. The two of us were always meant to be. I know I never should've let you go. I've been waiting for a lifetime. You've been waiting for the right time. If I had an extra life, I swear I would die for you twice. I'd turn off the power and take out the game, blow on the cartridge and try it again. No matter what, it turns out the same. You're up in a castle, I'm down in the drain. You're in a whole other level of love, stuck at the bottom, you're way up above. So many enemies in between us, but you know I'll never give up. Oh, you could be my little princess Peach, and I could be your Super Mario. The two of us were always meant to be. I know I never should've let you go, and now you're almost always out of reach. I can't take the distance in between you and me. It's our destiny. Quit playing games with me. Play me like I'm your Nintendo. Break me like bricks through the window. Slay me with your innuendos. Chase me, then drift where the wind blows. Where the wind blows. Oh, you could be my little princess Peach, and I could be your Super Mario. The two of us were